Today, we're taking a look at this shot, specifically a behind the scenes explanation on how we got this shot. Now, let's start by zooming out to show some of the surrounding environment. Yes, that's a garage you see in the shadows to the left and right. Here it is under more lighting. Some rough looking seamless background paper hanging in the garage. That occasional flash you see is studio lighting, a key piece of equipment for getting this shot. Light travels from its source and bounces off nearby surfaces. In this footage, we have both a ceiling light and a studio flash in use. Our model is standing close to the background paper, and the flash is nearby. The distance light must travel to reach them is short. Here, the photographer passes the model some decorative Christmas lights. Now, back to how light travels. If we increase the distance from the light source to the background, it will barely reach it, giving us a darker background. Our model stays nearby the flash. It hits the model, but only from one side, as they're too far away for the light to bounce off the background paper behind them, giving us a dramatic spotlight effect. And the small Christmas lights for a fantastical lighting element. We leave you now with some more behind the scenes footage set to music.